everyone, Granite Roots, joining us back again, or me back again, and Cloud and such, to save Johnny's sorry hide. Here's hoping he can keep quiet. Let's see if Waka's ancestor is able to do just that.
Any way to treat a model citizen of Midgar?
Model citizens don't steal blasting, Agent. So why don't you tell me why your ID popped when we were going over the warehouse logs?
Huh? You got it all wrong. I've never gone anywhere near a Shinra warehouse.
Oh, wrong answer. Can't trust Johnny.
Never got you inside a Shinra installation in the first place. I told you, we'll take all the time we need to get up with the story.
I swear.
Yeah,
All
good luck
he had
with
to do
that.
was keep his mouth shut.
Yep.
Anyway, you distract the officers and I'll figure something out.
Oh boy, maybe I'll distract him with a puppet show. That'll probably work. We could hear them from that far away.
Let him go.
Who are you? The
You
cavalry?
see me on horses?
Is that who I think it is? Avalon level!
Here we go.
Here we go. Allow me. Going in. No holding enough.
This dude is toast.
So,
Oh yeah.
is it over?
Johnny,
Yo,
why don't you grab him?
Anybody
Grab
there?
Johnny so we
if
can
you're
get out
there,
of
then
here.
help me. All right.
What now?
He's a talker.
Yes, he is.
Whoa, whoa!
No!
You're not gonna. Hold up! Wait! Don't do it, man! You got it, boss. You ain't never gonna see my face again.
Sounds
I
good,
swear.
my man.
Are you sure about this? It's a big risk.
I know, but it's fine.
And them?
No more. Cloud, you're scaring me.
Yeah, we better
We
get out
need
of
to go
Dodge
before
before
they
we
wake
get
up.
busted.
I'm worried about Johnny.
I'm more worried about us.
I'd
We
say,
gotta
yeah,
go, right?
Johnny's not important at this
Right.
point.
What?
It's just... You've really
We didn't expect us
changed.
the same 12-year-old boy back
Wow.
in town, did you?
I suppose it's... Yeah. Your eyes. They used to be less...
It's the Mako. Soldier, remember?
I remember. Right. Back to the bar. And here we are. You must be tired.
I
Same
am
as you,
beat.
I guess.
Could use a little something to take the edge off, right? How about
Yeah,
a
maybe a
refreshing
little
cocktail made by yours truly that you
Classical
can sit back
music
and
would
savor?
probably be better.
Tifa.
Yeah, I'm feeling it a bit too.
Hey, do you think you'll stick around a little longer?
Not if I can help it.
Maybe. Work for a minute. Build up some savings.
I see. So, what'll it be? Want to head back out for a little while?
Yeah, why not?
a nice
We're
little
back.
elevator.
Did you
Wish I had one in my
have
house.
fun?
Lots of fun.
Hey, need y'all downstairs.
Right now? Then the plan is...
Marlene, wanna go wait for Jesse out front?
Okay.
Looks like we're officially on for tomorrow night then. Gotta go over the details with the others.
Before you do, about my pay.
You'll get your money.
Dude, I'm gonna start
So
charging
sit
you
down
interest.
and shut up until we're finished. Double time, Tifa.
That is so cool. I want one.
I'm really sorry, but it shouldn't take much longer. In the meantime... grab a seat. What'll it be?
Something in the form of maybe a Shirley Temple or 7-Up.
Not really in the mood right now.
I gotta go. Enjoy. Hey, you see the news? The reactor bombing was the work of the
have no time to
eco-extremist
see the
group
news.
Avalanche. Public enemy number 1.
Tifa's
Gets
been
your
running
heart
me
racing,
ragged.
doesn't it? They don't know our faces, so we're in the clear for now. But we'll want to capitalize on this momentum. Speaking of which, you coming on the next one?
For the right price.
Oh, you can bet I'll be pushing hard for a raise. Tifa will be joining us too, but I don't know. Even a blind man can see her heart's not in it. She was never on board with the bombings, so if it comes down to do or die... If I've got to put my life in someone else's hands, then I'd rather that someone was a
You
professional.
are laying it on
like
thick.
you.
She did give me a Shirley Temple, but there's no cherry in it. What's going on? You know it's bad news when she's sitting way over there, bro. I think you're in trubs of
I
some
heard you're
kind.
having second thoughts.
I know we have to think big if we're going to make a difference. But not like this. I feel trapped.
If it feels wrong, don't do it.
Wiser words were never spoken.
Guess that's that then.
What, they kick you out?
We agreed to disagree. So,
Nah,
you
I'm
want
good.
another drink?
Tifa, time to celebrate. Break out all the good stuff.
Oh, sure.
We won't be needing you for this next job. Feel free to look for work elsewhere.
You know you're gonna come calling me to
Fine by
carry
me.
you.
That's how I like it.
We still got
No
hours left
contract,
to this game.
No obligation.
Figured you'd say that. Here, the rest of your payment.
Ah,
along
so
with
he
a
did
little
give me
extra for
some
your exemplary service.
interest.
And thus concludes our business.
Thank you. Drive
Gonna
through,
have to
please.
ask you to leave now. This here's a private affair.
Oh, did you guys see that? That spirit or whatever it was?
Sorry, I tried. We talked it over, but in the end, we didn't want to put so much on you. This is our fight.
Jesse, what's the holdup?
Be right there. No hard feelings, huh?
It's fine.
Let's talk more after I'm done here, okay?
I'd rather
Really,
not.
It's fine.
Come on, Jesse, I'm dying here.
I'll catch you later.
You were gonna get me in so much trouble.
Sorry to keep you thirsty boys waiting.
Shut up and wait. We'll find
What's going on over here?
Man, seems like the boss always.
Nice vest, dude.
Hey, brother. You from around the way?
That
I
ain't
guess.
your brother.
No big man with a big gun strapped to his right arm? Heard he set up shop somewhere in the neighborhood.
That depends.
Ah. Clever. Smell an opportunity to make some scratch, do you?
500.
200.
3.
Whatever, man. Let's find somewhere quiet to talk.
That's code for let us get
Walk
you
with
somewhere out of the way where we can rough you up. And yes, I did notice you got
Say?
2 in front and 2 in the back. I'm surrounded.
After you, brother. And don't worry.
Dude,
I ain't the backstabbing type.
how many times I gotta tell you, I ain't your
Most
bro.
days.
Just wonder which one of you's teeth to knock out first. Y'all got them glass jaws.
I told you before. That depends.
Oh, yeah? You wasted my time.
Shinra's time, you mean?
Shinra knows better than to stick its nose in my boss's business.
All right. Two.
Do a little brave rock, Scott. Definitely does some damage.
Big man with a big gun for an arm, right? Why do you want it?
Let me walk away.
Too late, bro.
That's that. All right. So long.
And that, as they say, is that.
So if they weren't Shinra, then
Good news is, y'all gonna make a lot more
Not my
money when a
problem.
tooth fairy comes by
lesson
picking
learned
up
for
your
life on the
teeth.
ground floor. Get some rest.
Now I finally... I was gonna get some sleep.
Welcome home, honey.
What
Took your sweet time.
the heck?
Psych. Are you
I
gonna
love
let
that you
me
can just see it in
so we
his
can talk in
face.
private?
Does this
Guess
gonna
I'll
end
get
with me
right to
chewing
the
my
point
arm
then.
off to escape? Ooh, what's
What
that?
you got there?
An apology for not getting you on the mission.
Apology accepted.
Or not. What do you think it is?
A proposition.
Nailed it in one.
Cloud is so
Gonna have to
savvy.
ask you to keep all this a secret from the others, though. It's a personal matter. Something I need to sort out tonight.
Yeah, secrets
Tonight?
aren't good, man.
Tonight. You and me, together. I want you to come with me to the Sector 7 plate. I'll give you
Is
the
that where you can see
details
the
on the
planes
way.
take off and land?
That's fine by me.
Get that ice cream we were
Look,
talking
Don't
about?
you have a pretty big day ahead of you?
I think Tifa had dibs
I
on
do,
that.
but if I don't deal with this now, it's only gonna get harder. Anyway, I can count on you, can't I?
You can count on me taking that materia.
A down payment.
Ooh. Free. Summoning.
Doubt we'll be back before morning, in case you were planning on traveling light. Make sure you've got everything you need before we leave. I'll wait here. You all set? Awesome. Meet me at the station after dark. Don't be late.
I'll be there. On time is late. I'll be there early.
It's just another job.
That's all it better be.
Huh?
Tough break. They changed the times.
Oh
Last
boy,
train's
Tweedledee and
already left,
Tweedledum.
which is why we borrowed these bikes.
I thought I left
Need
them
a
behind
lift to the
in
plate?
my
How did
last
you guess?
game.
Easy. You've been acting weird. Like talking about one thing when you're obviously
Actually, I
thinking
kind of
about
like
something else.
Biggs, and it just
Yeah,
occurred to
and
me
don't
too.
get
He
me
kind of looks like
started
a
on
young
all.
Charlie
All right,
Sheen.
I'll give you that. But how did you know I wanted to head topside? Was I talking in my sleep? What else did I say?
No, we just figured you wanted to see your parents, that's all.
Nailed it, huh?
Yep, right on the head.
So, seeing as we don't have any family of our own, how about you let us be a part of yours for a bit? You know, spread the wealth.
Are your parents still around?
No.
Way to bring up a sensitive, painful subject. Thank you very
Okay
much.
then. Guess you're all invited. Here's to awkward family reunions.
Yeah!
Bro's gonna drive with a sword.
I take it you boys have your brand spanking new IDs?
Yes, ma'am.
Then let's
Nice
lay
car.
down some rubber.
Crank that throttle!
Burn rubber, boys. Dude, he's driving with one arm and one arm holding that monstrous sword. He's got to be
Just so
totally
you know,
off balance.
I'm not going plateside for the reason they think I am. Look, you saw the way the reactor went up. It was huge, right?
Because of all the Mako. Isn't that what you said?
Yeah. That was wishful thinking. Deep down, I know it was my fault. I used a more powerful blasting agent than the directions called for. It had nothing to do with the Mako.
If only you knew, it still wasn't your fault.
Let's say you're right. So
But since
what?
you're a character in
I'm
the game,
planning
you
on
couldn't
using
see
a weaker
behind the scenes
blasting
what
agent this
Heidegger was
time.
doing.
But since I can't get in touch with my
That
supplier,
is one of the
our
reasons
only
I'm
option is
helping
to
you out.
loot
Plus,
the
I'm a
warehouse
stand-up
owned
guy.
by Shinra.
Shinra. Good luck with that.
With your help, we won't need luck.
Oh. I don't know what to say.
ID scan, ready?
So far, so good.
All right, here comes the hard part.
And that is...
The fake IDs may have held up, but from this point on, if we get pinged by a scan,
They'll come for us.
yeah, what he said.
Oh, man.
Just like that?
No need to worry. We've got Cloud, remember?
Dude, we are going to be fighting on motorcycles. I remember this from the first one.
Soldiers
This
get
is
mandatory
money.
training.
Well then, you gonna take my breath away? Make my head spin with your amazing skills?
Absolutely.
Don't believe you get
Unless
sick.
I'm the best. Just don't puke on my shoulder.
We've got company!
Someone's having fun.
How can
So
I
it
not?
begins.
Pursued by villains, a young couple thrust together by fate race through the neon street night.
Get off.
Oh, my hero!
You know that's right.
Woohoo!
I can do jumps too.
Straight to lethal force?
You just roll over and react nicely?
You got a point.
See? So don't go holding back now. You better hurry, Cloud.
Full throttle all the way.
Can't take it by ourselves.
And the cold-eyed mercenary's heart suddenly begun to melt.
You are laying it on thick, chickie.
Wait, is it just me or did we slow down?
Just you.
I think we've bitten off more than we can chew. What do we do?
Shut up.
Take him down.
Moving to intersect.
Gotta say, Wedge is doing a pretty good job driving that motorcycle. I am surprised.
like the sound of that.
We're not screwed, are we?
Screw this!
Hey, you okay? Jesse, look out!
Wow! What the hell?
These guys must be immune to fire or something. Ooh, that was close. Drones.
Heads up! Drones!
One thing after another.
Come on, Liz, gun it!
EMPs.
I am gunning it!
We're good. Nothing about this is good. You got me. Fair enough. All right then, do your thing.
This isn't working! Very nicely done!
Hopefully they go down pretty easy. Who's this guy? It's like
What's
Dog
going
the
on?
Bounty Hunter. He thinks everything's funny. Hopefully he's laughing at my jokes.
Who's that?
No, that's Dog the Bounty Hunter.
Well, hello!
Either that or Taylor
Too
Swift
quick
on
for the
hormone
eye.
replacement
You cross
therapy.
him, you die. Now, mind if I cut in? Woo! Splendid! I've been looking for a new dance partner. Private party, huh? That's fine.
Dancing?
I'll settle for
You
a
look like
race
a
then.
square dancer. Maybe you're Billy Ray Cyrus doing the achy breaky
I'm a
heart. That's
souvenir.
probably what it is.
Then no. So terribly sorry. Your words failed to reach my ears, sluggish and slow as they are.
Touche, my
Latest
friend.
curiosity has been piqued.
Heard that, huh?
Oh, so this guy's a speed freak. You need to say no to drugs, bro.
Ugh, this is the worst.
Yes, yes, this is the contest I've been waiting for. Need to recharge.
Take care of your bike!
Better finish this up pretty quick. Wedge's health is getting pretty low.
Your eyes are for me alone. You like dancing, son? Enjoying yourself? A fiery gift for you. My heart beats faster by the second.
What is he up to now?
Not bad. You have growth and an abiding affection for your mount. But one cannot simply die in one fight. Nay, one must unlock its true potential. Become one with the machine. Like this.
Dude, this is like Mario
Try
Kart when
using
he's
those
doing like
brakes of
the
yours.
Rainbow Roads or something. Riding on the side of the wall.
Only have eyes for you.
Nice, I love that spinning slash.
Our fire rages.
Daddy's on our side!
getting low. It's gonna be close.
Wonderful gift you've given to me! Oh, that's the stuff!
Here we go again. Pattern figured out now, I think.
Save me!
Burn rubber.
Had enough?
Don't be absurd. As if I could ever grow tired of your company. Naughty, naughty! Until one of our flames is forever extinguished, our dance will never end!
What are you dancing? Maybe you're a poker guy.
For me! Oh ho ho! Come on, let's push it past the red line!
Jesse, take over.
What's Cloud up to? Wish I had that kind of balance. Just toasted that guy's engine.
Well, well, well. I do believe this round is yours.
It's alright, don't beat yourself up
Maybe
over
next
it.
time
I'm sure
we
I'll
can
do
keep
that
it
later.
just between the two of us.
Maybe.
Until we meet again, my friend!
We did it!
First try.
Don't get too excited. Reinforcements are hot on our trail.
She's not wrong.
You failed the test.
What test?
What test?
Driving.
I'm great at driving.
What are you talking about?
Great at scaring your passengers, more like.
Not used to having any.
Maybe you should just let me drive.
Nope.
I did, I gave you a chance. Jumped on his
Guess I'll
bike and
take one for the
disabled
team
it.
and be your back warmer again.
Man, you and Tifa are gonna get into some hair pulling before this game's over.
Huh?
If you keep that kind of
Oh,
stuff
look
up.
at that. It's the end of the ride.
Thankfully. You can get me in so much trouble. And I'm just minding my own business.
We'll go on foot from here. Don't want to draw too much attention to ourselves.
Sounds like Indiana Jones. We'll walk from
did
here.
these things leave a mark?
They got you pretty good.
Oh, and I'm running on fumes.
Don't worry. We'll top you up soon enough. Now let's roll.
Alright then, I guess this is where we'll leave it. That was a lot of fun. I've been looking forward to that since we started. Good fight. Just want to thank you all for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll catch you in the next episode.